Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare home ice cream makers, so you can easily make delicious ice cream at home. We'll help you find the perfect product for your needs. Stick around until the end. First, are you looking for a budget-friendly product? Then I recommend the Cuisinart Ice 21. This model is easy to operate with a thick freezing bowl and can make ice cream in about 20 minutes. It's priced at around $70, making it very affordable. Why do I recommend this product? It's easy to use and quickly makes ice cream that the whole family will love. According to user reviews, this product is simple and easy to use. It can make delicious ice cream in 20 minutes, and the whole family loves it. Amazon rating is 4.55. Do you want to make ice cream with a better texture? Then consider the CREAMi. This product can make a variety of desserts, including ice cream, gelato, and milkshakes. With its multifunction buttons and compact design, priced at around $200, it offers various functions and programs to help you achieve the desired texture. Why is this product innovative? Its range of functions and settings allow you to make not just ice cream, but also sorbets and milkshakes, offering great satisfaction. One user said, "It has various functions and settings, so I can make ice cream, sorbet, and milkshakes. I'm very satisfied with the texture control." Amazon rating is 4.65. If you want a premium option, consider the Breville Smart Scoop. This model features automatic hardness adjustment, 12 hardness settings, an LCD display, and a pre-cooling function priced at around $500. How does this product work? It offers professional quality ice cream making with a luxurious design and multiple setting options. The automatic hardness adjustment feature monitors the ice cream's condition in real time and adjusts it to the desired texture. User reviews say, "The automatic hardness adjustment feature is very useful. I'm very satisfied with making professional quality ice cream at home." Amazon rating is 4.55. Are you home alone? Then I recommend the My Pint electric ice cream maker for a more affordable option. This product has a compact design and simple operation, allowing you to quickly make single-serving ice cream. It's priced at about $25, making it very affordable, and it's perfect for one-person households as it can quickly make small amounts of ice cream. Why is this product attractive? It's small and lightweight, making it highly portable. User reviews say, it performs well for its price. It quickly makes small amounts of ice cream, perfect for a single person. Amazon rating is 4.45. If you're looking for the best overall product, I recommend the Cuisinart Ice 100. This model is compressor-based, has a 1.5 quart capacity, and features a digital timer, allowing you to make various desserts consecutively. It's priced at about $250 and includes a self-cooling function, making it very convenient to continuously make ice cream without additional freezing steps. Why is this the best product? Because it offers a perfect balance of performance and convenience. User reviews say it's compressor-based, so you can make ice cream consecutively. It's also easy to use and can make a variety of desserts, which makes me very satisfied. Amazon rating is 4.45. Are you a gelato fan? Then let me introduce the DeLonghi IK 5000 gelato maker. This product features a self-cooling system, 1.2-liter capacity, ceramic-coated aluminum bowl, and stainless steel scraper. Priced at around $300. It allows for professional quality gelato making with high-quality materials and a durable design. How does this product work? The self-cooling system enables fast and easy gelato making. The ceramic-coated aluminum bowl provides excellent thermal conductivity for quick cooling, and the stainless steel scraper mixes ingredients smoothly for a fine texture. User reviews say, it's very easy to make gelato, and it tastes like it's made with high-quality ingredients. It's also easy to clean, so I use it frequently. Amazon rating is 4.35. Let's summarize. DeLonghi Gelato Maker is around $300 and features a self-cooling system and a 1.2-liter capacity. It is well rated by users for making high-quality gelato easily with high-quality materials. For those who prioritize value for money, Cuisinart Ice 21 is a great choice. Priced at about $70, it offers simple operation and fast production time, about 20 minutes. User reviews indicate it is easy for the whole family to use and very satisfying. If you want innovative features, consider the CREAMi. At around $200, it can make various desserts like ice cream, gelato, and milkshakes with multiple textures and settings. Users find its versatility very satisfying. For a luxurious product, the Breville Smart Scoop is ideal. Priced at around $500, it includes automatic hardness adjustment, 12 hardness settings, and a pre-cooling function. Users highly appreciate its premium design and features. For an affordable option, the My Pint electric ice cream maker is a good choice. At about $25, It has a compact design and simple operation, making it perfect for single servings. Reviews indicate it performs well for its price and is highly portable. Overall, the best product is Cuisinart Ice 100 at around $250. It features a compressor-based digital timer and can make various desserts consecutively. Users are highly satisfied with its balanced performance and convenience. If you choose based on your situation, budget-friendly, Cuisinart Ice 21, want various functions, Ninja CREAMi, need professional quality, Breville Smart Scoop, looking for an affordable product, Dash My Pint, seeking a balanced choice, Cuisinart Ice 100, and want Gelato, DeLonghi Gelato Maker.
The first rule of channel is subscribe channel. Second rule of channel is click like. This channel will make you smart.